We would like to present you our app Training Manager. This is a new and easy way to know and keep track of your company's talent and to stay informed about all the trainings available for you. We present you the perfect way to grow your company through the education. Training Manager gives you a lot of benefits in 3 simple steps. Download, register and enjoy. This is how you get started. As first step, go to the Play Store and look for Training Manager. Click and install, and in a few seconds you will be able to register. When you are already in the app, you can choose to log in with your Facebook or email account. This is your first time using Training Manager, so here's a small help to easily complete your profile. Here, you can fill your profile with all your personal information. In job information, you have to write down for which company you are working in, which is your role and the seniority. Make sure to write the correct role in the blank space. Here's another example. If you change your role, there will be different options to fill. Here are the different schools or companies that offer trainings. Depending on your choice, you will receive only notifications from the companies you are interested. In this section, you can rate yourself about your knowledge or skills and choose your objectives on each field. If you have any certification, don't forget to write it down. Finally, you have to pick a profile picture and you are done and ready to start. Here's your profile, where you can change your information anytime you want. At the bottom of the site, you will find all the different sections. Here, you can see all the trainings that you can do. You can have more information about it if you click on it. To enroll a course, you only have to click on the waiting list and you are going to be notified when you are enrolled. In this section, My Trainings are the courses you are taking part of, also with a small description. Next to it is Upcoming. All the trainings coming soon will appear here, so you can plan or be informed if you want to make one. Finally, we have History. Here there will be all the trainings that you have done. Training Manager. Improve the talent of your organization.